What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to Brother Studios. Now, today in the studio, we're going to be doing a haunt. Now, this is a 2024 Costco exclusive 7-foot tall werewolf. Now, this is Ed from Haunt House, and we're going to go ahead and build this in a fun time lapse. So sit back, enjoy the music, and let's enjoy this entertainment animatronic build.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure. It's my time, watch me build another life. Find another space, explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away, we won't see another day. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure. On a new adventure.
This is without a doubt one of my most favorite animatronics that Ed has here at Haunt House. Now, this werewolf is absolutely incredible. Not only does it stand extremely tall on the trail itself, but the roars and the overall sound effects that it comes with are wicked cool. Now, I hope to eventually make a werewolf costume, but this thing is just absolutely awesome. Make sure you like and subscribe for more haunt stuff in the future. Later, guys.